everyone! In today's video, I'll be teaching you how to make my grandma's recipe of pizzelle. So let's get right on into it. The ingredients you will need are 6 large eggs, 2.5 cups of flour, 1.25 cups of sugar, 2 tablespoons of vanilla, 1 cup of margarine or butter, I am using butter, 4 teaspoons of baking powder, and 5 tablespoons of finely crushed almonds. They look pretty dark because mine are toasted. And optional, you can use some citrus flavoring. Last but not least, we have and need our pizzelle maker. Next, in a large bowl, crack the eggs, add the sugar, and beat until frothy. Wow, look how nice this is. At this point, we can now add the melted butter and the vanilla extract. Also, optionally, if you would like, you can now add the citrus flavoring. I'm using lemon. Now, on a lower setting, mix together all those ingredients, and after, gradually add in the flour and baking soda, which is already mixed together here. And lastly, we add the finely grounded almonds into the mixture. Looking good! Next, cover the dough with plastic wrap and let it rest for 15 to 20 minutes. Okay, so my batter has rested for 15 minutes. Once yours is done too, you will take the batter and around the size of a walnut or a small tablespoon, place it in the center of your pizzelle maker, do it on both sides, and then close the lid. Bake for 20 to 25 seconds. Make sure you keep an eye on them and don't leave them on for too long, otherwise they will break when rolled up. Almost done. No, don't break on me. No. It turned out fine. And lastly, for the final touch, we can add some icing sugar. And that is all for today's video. The pizzelle are now ready to be eaten. If you like what you saw, please give this video a nice big thumbs up, subscribe, and if you'd like to, leave a comment down below. Have a great day. Bye!